Hey guys, Marshall Tucker here. LA Chopper is bringing you the best in American-made handlebars and motorcycle accessories. Now, anybody who's ever told you that bigger isn't better is simply lying to you. You don't go to the bar and order a small beer, and you don't go to the steakhouse to get a petite filet. No, you go huge on both, right? And that's why LA Choppers has delivered the Grande Twin Peaks. Now, the Grande Twin Peak is 1.5 inches in diameter and is actually the bigger brother to the standard Twin Peak, which is 1.25 inches. And our standard Twin Peak is actually the #1 selling style bar that we have in the entire lineup. So stay tuned. We want to get you some fresh details on the Grande Twin Peaks.
This American-made bar feels just as good as it looks, and that is simply amazing. We offer this 1.5 inch bar in a variety of heights, finishes, and fitments. Your Road Glide bar and standard bar applications are going to run at 35.5 inches wide, while the Batwing fairings will be coming in at 36.5 inches wide. Finishes offered are going to be chrome as well as gloss black. Heights for this bar will start at 8 inch and go all the way up to 19 inches. Touring models will use our proprietary clamping system, so be sure to check out that video. LA Chopper Grande Twin Peaks, as always, made right here in the United States of America.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.